The Mindful Book by Dr. John Kabat-Zinn is a comprehensive guide to mindfulness meditation, intended for beginners and those already familiar with the practice. It's not just a book about mindfulness, but a book for mindfulness. It's designed to be a living, breathing practice in itself. It's a gentle and practical introduction to cultivating present moment awareness and acceptance. Here's a breakdown of the key concepts and a summary of the book. Core principles of mindfulness. Paying attention on purpose. Mindfulness isn't about clearing your mind. It's about intentionally directing your attention to the present moment. It's about noticing what is happening right now, without judgment. Acceptance, a crucial aspect of mindfulness. It involves acknowledging thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise without trying to push them away or change them. It's about allowing things to be, rather than resisting them. Non-judgment. This is perhaps the most important principle. Mindfulness encourages us to observe our experiences without labeling them as good or bad, right or wrong. We simply witness them. Patience. Mindfulness is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Don't expect instant results. Be kind to yourself and don't get discouraged by wandering thoughts. Beginner's mind. Approaching each moment with a fresh, open perspective, as if you're experiencing it for the first time. This involves letting go of assumptions and preconceived notions. The book's structure and key sections. The book is divided into several parts, each exploring different aspects of mindfulness. Part 1. What is mindfulness? This section lays the groundwork for understanding what mindfulness is, why it's important, and how it differs from other mental exercises. Defining mindfulness. Kabat-Zinn clarifies the core elements of mindfulness: paying attention on purpose, non-judgmentally, and with acceptance. The science of mindfulness. He discusses the research supporting the benefits of mindfulness for physical and mental health. This includes studies on stress reduction, pain management, emotional regulation, and even immune system function. Mindfulness in everyday life. The book emphasizes that mindfulness isn't confined to formal meditation sessions. It can be practiced throughout the day, in any situation. Common misconceptions. Kabat-Zinn addresses common misunderstandings about mindfulness, such as the belief that it's about emptying the mind. Part 2. Mindfulness meditation. The basics, different types of meditation. The book explores various types of mindfulness meditation, including breath awareness, body scan, mindful movement, and walking meditation. How to start. It provides clear, step-by-step instructions on how to practice basic mindfulness meditation techniques. Troubleshooting. It offers guidance on dealing with common challenges that arise during meditation, such as mind wandering, restlessness, and emotional discomfort. Developing a practice. Kabat-Zinn emphasizes the importance of consistency and finding a practice that resonates with you. He encourages readers to start small and gradually increase the duration of their practice. Part 3. Mindfulness in action. This section delves into how mindfulness can be applied to specific areas of life. Mindfulness for stress reduction. Techniques to manage stress, anxiety, and overwhelm. Mindfulness for emotional regulation. Tools for navigating difficult emotions like anger, sadness, and fear. Mindfulness for pain management. Strategies for coping with chronic pain and discomfort. Mindfulness for relationships. Cultivating empathy, compassion, and connection in relationships. Mindfulness for working with difficult situations. Applying mindfulness to challenges at work, such as difficult colleagues, stressful projects, and job transitions. Mindfulness and body awareness. Deepening the connection with the body and developing a sense of bodily presence. Part 4. Cultivating a mindful life. This section provides a broader perspective on integrating mindfulness into daily living. Mindful communication. Practicing presence and empathy in conversations. Mindful eating. Paying attention to the sensory experience of food. Mindful movement. Bringing awareness to physical activities like walking, yoga, and dancing. Mindful living. Applying mindfulness to all aspects of life, from mundane tasks to significant decisions. Resilience and acceptance. emphasizing that mindfulness fosters resilience and helps accept life's inevitable challenges. Key takeaways. Mindfulness is a skill, not a talent. It takes practice and dedication to cultivate. The goal isn't to stop thinking, but to change the relationship to thinking. Acceptance is not about liking or approving of everything, but about acknowledging reality as it is. Mindfulness is a path to greater well-being, both physically and mentally. It's an ongoing journey of self-discovery and compassion. Why is the Mindful book valuable? Accessibility. Kabat-Zinn's writing is clear, concise, and jargon-free, making it easy for anyone to understand and apply mindfulness. Practical guidance. The book provides concrete techniques and exercises to help readers start and maintain a mindfulness practice. Comprehensive approach. It covers a wide range of topics related to mindfulness, from the science behind it to its application in everyday life. Gentle and supportive. The book offers a compassionate and non-judgmental approach to mindfulness, which is essential for beginners. In short, the Mindful book is a powerful resource for anyone seeking to cultivate greater presence, peace, and well-being in their lives. It's a book to be read and, more importantly, a book to be practiced.